Yeah.
Okay. Now I am going to the another step. Next step is confirmation of production order. You can see production confirmation. Okay. So once the physical production is completed, you will do the confirmation in SAP.
Okay.
Okay. This confirmation mainly two types. Okay. One is called the time ticket confirmation. This is also called as operation wise confirmation.
Time tickets.
That is one thing. And another thing is order confirmation. Okay.
Number
One is
second is order
confirmation. Yeah. So time ticket confirmation, it is also called as operation wise confirmation, and we will use the transaction code CO11N.
CO11.
This is a transaction we will use. For order wise confirmation, we will use CO15. Okay. So what is this? How we will execute these two, I will explain you. Okay. First is time ticket confirmation. That means each operation wise, if you want to confirm, you can use this transaction code.
Okay, one more time.
Each operation,
Each
each
operation.
operation wise,
Uh-huh.
you want to confirm the order. Each operation wise means, for example, I am going to our order. Any order CO02. To check order, you will open the CO02. Okay. In this, you go to the operations. It is nothing but a routing operations. So here you can see you maintain the 4 operations. Okay. Fixing engine, fixing tire, fixing electronic device, and painting. You want to confirm each operation wise. Like first operation, you want to confirm fixing of engine is completed. So you want to confirm that. Okay. So operation wise, if you need to use the first transaction code, time ticket confirmation. Okay, CO11N. Okay, so now I will open this transaction code and I will show you the details here. The navigation for this is logistics, production, shop floor control. You can see separate folder confirmation. So here click on enter, and here you can see for operation. You have a screen for operation. Expand this, and here you can see time ticket CO11N. Okay, so open the transaction code. So this is the screen, it will appear. Time ticket for production order. So here, this is, as I told you, operation wise confirmation. So first you need to enter here the production order. You can see order. Okay, Order number we will enter here. For example, our production order number is this one, CO 162 example. Okay, 162 is our production order. And what is the operation? 00 first number, 10. So these two details we will enter here. In time ticket confirmation, first we need to enter the order, then and enter operation number also, that is 0010.
Operation number, that's the from the previous one in the number wise on the left side, right?
Correct. From the production order.
Okay. Can you go one more time? Production order. I want to see the operation number, please.
I am opening production order in display mode. CO03 display.
Okay.
And operations.
Operation. And the which one? The first one, right?
Yeah, correct. First one, 0010.
Okay.
So that means each operation wise, each activity wise, we are confirming.
Okay.
Okay. So now I am going back to time ticket confirmation. Once you enter these two details, then press enter.
Okay. Yes.
Press enter.
Okay.
So once you press enter, system will display what is the description, what is the material code, what is the work center, plant, all these details it will come. Okay. Here you click on the actual data. Click on actual data. Yeah. Then system will propose how much you need to confirm. Yield. Here system will propose how much you need to confirm. So I'm just clicking actual data. So you can see here, this order is having the 10 quantity. You need to confirm this 10 quantity if you manufacture. Okay. For example, out of 10 cars, you manufactured 5 only. Okay. So then you remove this 10 and enter 5, press enter.
Means
okay.
If you deliver 5 cars, right?
Yeah, 5 cars is assembled, not delivered. Deliver means customer delivery. We are not doing the delivery. As a production person, I have assembled only 5 cars.
I see.
That too in the first operation only, 10th operation.
Yeah.
Okay. And to assemble these 5 cars, you can see here, enter the mission time. This is the planned time. As per planned, it is a 10 hours, but it took only 6 hours. And labor is maybe a 30 hours. These are actual values. Earlier, it is planned values proposed from production order.
Now, how we calculate this 6 hours?
We are not calculating. Physically, in the business, okay, what are the actually took time to assemble these 5 cars? That actual time they will put it here.
You are overriding the routing now, the routing value.
Correct.
Is that right? Yeah.
Correct. The data earlier it came. Yeah.
Now, who gave this machine and labor times?
Business. business people. If you want to enter some details, if employee is there, he is having the employee number, so he can enter that number. And here, if they want to change the timing, you can enter the time also. Okay, actual time. These are actual times when they started assembling and when they finish this assembly. They can enter. Okay, and in the bottom under the text, you can enter some text also, some information. Okay, for example, extra labor used. Okay, for arranging engine. Okay, you can enter some information, text information. Okay, these details you can enter, and finally you can click on save button. Before that, we can see confirmation type. Here partial confirmation, final confirmation is there. That means earlier actually it is production order quantity is 10. Confirming completely 10 out of 10, then you can select final confirmation.
I'm sorry.
Out of 10,
okay. The 5 means a partial confirmation.
yeah, correct.
So when you
5 is partial. Yeah.
So when you
Yes,
do the
please.
10, then you put the final confirmation.
Correct.
I
Okay.
see.
If you are doing a partial confirmation, you can change this into partial confirmation and you can do. Okay.
Just 1 second. Let
And
me finish chat.
yeah. Once you enter all these details,
then you save.
Finally you need to click on save.
Okay.
It is saved, and in the bottom you can see confirmation of order saved.
Okay, just 1 second.
Yes, in which case we can use scrap and rework and reason for var just to us. Yeah.
Yeah, I will tell you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Now, this we did the confirmation for first operation only. First operation mean in the production order, if you go here, I'm opening the production order once again.
Just for one car, but not tire or other stuff.
That is components here saying. Yeah, for car only. We are discussing about the car assembly. Tire we will purchase. Okay. I'm going to the operations tab once again. Now here you can see first operation is there. Okay. If you go right side further. Okay. This is operation quantity. That means as per plan you should confirm the 10 quantity. But your confirmed, you can see confirmed yield is 10.
Okay. Just 1 second here.
Okay. It will update automatically in production order.
Yeah.
Okay. So like this, we need to confirm the remaining operations also.
Yeah.
One by one. Okay. One by one, we need to confirm the remaining operations. First operation means now we fixed only the engine.
Right.
Now next we need to fix the tires. So you can open again second operation, that is number 20, 30, 40. Okay. Go to the time ticket, enter the same order number, and now you need to enter this second operation, that is 0020. Enter these two details and press enter. It will give you the details here, and click on actual data. You will get the
Man.
10 yield.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe
Now
it should give 5. Is that right or not in this case?
yeah.
Or
Actually, we will give only 5. We won't give the
Yeah.
10 because engine is assembled 5 means tire also you will go here 5. Okay.
Yeah.
After engine fixing, you did some quality check and you found one car is defect. Okay. After engine fixing, you did the quality check and you find one car is defect and you don't want to use further. That means you can do that as a scrap. If you cannot use that one, you will put that as a scrap. So out of 5, 1 is scrap. Then good cars is only 4.
I see.
Okay, scrap means getting wasted. You cannot use that. So that
So
is called the scrap.
when you put 1 and you enter, this will come automatically 4.
No, it won't come. You will
I see.
enter manual. All this data you need to enter manual. System will not calculate.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but
So
maybe
scrap.
the operation 20, it was the fixed tire, not fix a car.
Correct.
Not the quality. I believe that's right.
Not the
Or not?
quality.
No, this we
Not
are
the
talking
quality.
about. We are talking about the tires now, right?
Yeah. While fixing the
Yeah.
tire,
Oh,
one
fixing
car
tire,
you
yeah.
found, yeah, it is wasted.
Yeah.
Okay. During
Yeah.
fixing the car, you found one car is got wasted. You need to scrap it.
Okay.
So
And then can we change the machine and labor too?
yeah, you can change. These
It would be
also you
update
can change.
alone, no? It would be update.
It won't
Oh, okay,
update.
okay. I will not
You
update
need to
alone.
enter. Yeah.
Okay.
You will enter actual. These are actual values.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
So that is a scrap. Okay. For example, okay. Now, scrap means you cannot use this product. Okay. That car is all got wasted. You cannot use it.
Tire is wasted.
Not tire. Yield is from car. Yeah. After assembling the tire. Okay. After assembling the tire,
Mhm.
after fixing the tire, you found that car. Okay. Cannot be used it. So you scrapped it. For
So,
example,
so these are the 4 cars, but not the tires.
yeah, not the tires.
Okay.
4 car, it is not completely assembled. It is first only engine is assembled. Now we are fixing the car. Okay. Now, for example, you found that engine is not fixed properly in the previous operation. In previous operation, engine is not properly fixed. So you can do rework that. You can send back to again to the 10th operation and ask them to fix it properly. So then that time that is called the rework. That is not scrap. Scrap means completely cannot be used. Rework means you
Work on
can
it again.
send back. Yeah, you can send back to previous operation and ask them to rebuild it, rearrange it. Okay, that is called the rework. Okay, and here in the bottom, reason for variance, you can put some reason here why it is rework or why it got scrapped. Machine malfunction or operating error or defect material. Okay, what is the reason why it got scrapped or reworked?
Machine
You can
malfunction.
put that. Okay, anything you can put. So after entering these details, you can save it.
Okay.
This we are saving for second operation.
I see. Okay, just one second.
Okay, you can save this.
Yeah.
Click on save button. So this operation also got saved. Confirmation of order saved. Now if you go and check your production order once again, here there is no refresh button. You need to go back and open once again. Once again open production order, go to operations and check here. This operation quantity is 10, but you have confirmed only 4. Okay. If you want to see that rework one where you enter, you want to see means if it is not coming, okay. So if you want to see rework how much is happened means you select
I
this
saw
operation.
confirmation error. I saw one confirmation error. One column. Maybe this one rework or no?
No, second, this operation is rework. Okay. You want to see
Yeah.
that one, select this line and click this first button, operation details.
Okay.
Okay. If you click that button,
Here, yeah.
yeah, here you can see quantity by activities. In this tab, you can see confirmed yield is 4 and rework quantity is 1. Okay. In the production order also, you can see the details. And here you can see to be confirmed. Actually, as per plan, you need to confirm this is ours, but you confirm this is ours, mission hours and labor. Okay. So these details you can check in the production order. Yeah. Okay. So we have confirmed 2 operation, 10 operation and 20 operation. Now I am confirming these 30 and 40.
Together?
No, separately. You cannot
Separate.
confirm together. Yeah.
Okay. Because you
So
highlighted 2, so that's why
yeah,
confusion.
correct. No, one by one meaning.
Yeah.
So same production order and enter 30 operation. Press enter.
Okay.
Now you can click on actual data and enter. Replace this with the 4 only because you confirmed only 4, and you can change the hours here. Maybe this is 5 hours and this is 5 hours. Okay, and click on save button. Okay, so same kind of operation details one by one. If you have the 10 operations, you need to do like this 10 operations if you want operation wise. And then I am entering the 40 operation, enter actual data. So you confirmed only 4, you can enter 4, and this timings you want to change, you can change, and you can save it. So is it clear this operation wise confirmation? Any questions?
Not really. It looked easy, but
Okay.
Yeah, it is clear. Yeah, it is clear.
Okay. So now, for example, you don't want to do operation wise confirmation. Okay, you have 4 operations, but 4 you have completed. Shop floor they are completed. Okay.
hold on
Directly you want to do.
one second,
Yeah.
Saudi. When we complete the number 4th operation, it means
Yeah.
there's the final completion. So when you complete the
Correct.
last one 4, but you did not drop down the final confirmation.
Oh, okay. Final confirmation means you confirmed the total quantity. Then you can select the final confirmation. Out of 10, we confirmed only 4.
I see.
Final confirmation means
Okay.
total quantity if you confirm, that is a final confirmation.
Okay.
Okay. That is quantity, not the last operation.
Not the okay. All right. Okay. Now you are trying to say that you want to confirm the all operation in one time.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Okay. Now you don't want to do operation wise confirmation. You want to confirm all operations at a time.
Okay.
Order wise you want to do. Okay. So then I am taking another production order 161. Okay. This is a production order, another production order. And if you go to the operations, so this is fresh production order. Okay. And this quantity is 100 quantity, and confirmation is yield is 0. Okay. No yield is confirmed. Now you want to do complete this order. All operations are completed. Okay. All operations are completed. You want to do for complete order. So you can use another transaction code, that is CO15.
CO15.
Yeah. You can see here.
Confirmation all orders.
You can see for order.
Says CO15 for all.
Order.
I see.
Yes. For order, if you open here, so you enter here, this is initial screen. Enter production order confirmation initial screen.
Okay, just 1 second, please. All right, go ahead.
Okay. Then press enter. Here there is no operation. We don't require to enter any operation here, because it is a order, complete order wise we are doing. Okay. And here, what is your planned quantity is 100. You can see it is showing 100. Okay. Out of 100, for example, you want to confirm only 60. You can enter the yield as 60. You manufactured only 60 and press enter. Okay. Only the quantity you will enter here. And you want to put some text here, you can put a text. Okay. Some text you can put it here. Only you enter the quantity yield. Out of 100 you put the 60, and radio button you can select whether you are partial confirmation or final confirmation. We are doing only partial. You can select partial. Okay. Once you enter these details, you can click on save button.
Okay, just 1 second.
This is another way of doing production order confirmation. There is no best actually, as per the business needs. Okay. For example, fixing of engine is taking 1 day. Okay. Fixing of engine is taking 1 day. And then tire fixing maybe another 1 day it is taking. Then today labor has come and they fixed the 10 cars engines only. So after this, end of the day, you want to confirm that how many they have fixed today engine.
Yeah.
So that time you can go with the operation wise confirmation. Okay. In another example, all your 4 operations are completing in one hour only.
Yeah.
Like
Okay. Got
engine
it.
fixing,
Yeah,
tire fixing, painting, everything is completing in 1 hour. So
yeah.
in that case, better to go with the order wise confirmation.
Okay.
For 15 minutes
Got
or
it.
10 minutes, you need operation wise confirmation. So
Okay.
business
Got it.
need wise, you need to use it. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Thanks.
Now I am clicking on saving button, save. So the production order confirmation is completed. You can see confirmation of order 161 is saved. Okay. Now if I open the production order, I am opening the production order now. So and I am opening the operations. Click on operations, and here you can see all operations are confirmed
With
the 60 quantity.
It's 60.
Yeah. Okay.
Just one second.
Is it clear how to do the confirmation?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, clear. Okay. Now I will show you 2 more transaction codes. Like we have another 2 transactions related to these confirmations. I will show you what are those. Go to the production, shop floor control, and under confirmation, you can expand. You can see the transaction codes display. You can use this transaction code CO14 to display your confirmation details. Okay, this is display confirmation. One is display confirmation. Okay, for this you can use this CO14 transaction code. That means what is the display means, like a display production order. You want to see only confirmation display. You want to see the details in the confirmation. So you can open this transaction code, enter your order number, okay, and press enter. Only enter the order number and press enter. So in display mode, what you did the confirmation, like quantity, partial confirmation, everything you can see. Okay.
Just one second.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is only to check whether what you did earlier.
Yeah.
That is called the display confirmation. You cannot do any changes here.
Right.
Okay. This is one transaction code, and in this confirmation you have another transaction code that is called the cancel. Okay, what is cancel means? Cancel means, for example, you take this order. Actually this order yield is 50 only. By mistakenly you put the 60. Okay, by mistakenly you put the 60, but actually it is assembled only 50 quantity. So in this example, what you can do is you can cancel this confirmation and redo confirmation with only 50 quantity.
Okay. How to cancel it?
Okay. Yeah, how to cancel is, we have a separate transaction code, CO13 transaction code for cancel. CO13. Okay.
You
And
cannot go and change it and see to cancel it. You cannot change it from
yeah,
60 to 50.
there is no
50
change.
No change.
You
Okay.
cannot, yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
cannot change it, only cancel and reconfirm. Just
Okay.
like
Sorry.
your material document is there. Material document, once you posted, is it possible to change it?
Otherwise, they will steal it.
Correct. Okay. So
Yeah.
you will change the goods movements, you will cancel the goods movements, and you will do the goods movements. Same
Because
way here.
Yes. Because everything come on documentation, you know.
Correct.
Yes.
So here, cancel the confirmation. open the information transaction CO13 and enter here also the production order only. Enter production order and press enter.
And press enter.
Okay. So it will display, you can see confirmation of production order cancel.
Yeah.
Here you won't do any changes here. Okay. And just press the save button. Cancel means nothing but open this transaction code, enter your production order, and then click on save.
But we did not mention any, 50 or.
No, that again you need to confirm. I will show you. This is only first step is cancel. We are canceling it. Okay.
Means cancel the all 60s.
Yeah, correct. All 60, you are canceling it.
Okay.
Click on save button. Once you click on save button, it will open actually the Word document.
I'm sorry, say one more time how you did this, because I did not pay attention.
Okay, 1 minute.
Just
Once you click on save button, it will open Word document. My system.
Can you go back again, please?
1 minute. In this system, there is no Word document actually. Otherwise, it will open actually Word document. In this training system, I think they have not installed Microsoft. Okay.
Okay. What did you click the Word document should become?
Yeah, 1 minute. I will show you templates. Microsoft allow.
I click on save.
Yeah.
As soon as you click on save,
Yep. Correct. Yeah, as soon as I click on the save button, you can see you will get this Word file, Word document file. Okay. Here you will enter what is the reason for cancellation. Why you reason? What is the reason to cancel? Okay.
Yeah,
you
but
will
when
enter.
you hold on 1 second, please. When you cancel the order and you save it, when you save it, then the Word document come automatically.
Correct. Automatically it will come.
Okay, just 1 second, please. When you save the order, it will come Word document. Okay, Word document. When the Word document come, and then we have to make next.
Yeah, correct. And then you can come back. Click on back button. So in the bottom, you will see the message confirmation of is cancelled.
Okay, I want to see this one more time, because when you start the canceling with the transaction code CO13.
Okay. CO13.
I think you cannot reproduce it. You cannot reproduce it because it's already cancelled. Is that right?
Yeah.
No, you can display on CO13, no?
CO13 you cannot do. CO14 you can display. You can see already one is there, one is cancelled. So you cannot see any, again it is there. No confirmation has been carried out. Okay. Once again, I will do the confirmation. Okay. Now 60 is cancelled. Now you want to correct to 50. So correct to 50 means again you need to confirm once again. Open the CO15. Okay. Enter your order 161 and enter here the yield 50.
Okay. Just 1 second now, please. Okay.
Okay. Once you enter the 50 and then you will save it.
Save it.
This is confirmation. So that means you want to correct means first you need to cancel that and then once again repeat the confirmation.
When you save it, is there any message comes?
Yeah, it will come as operation saved. That's at the bottom.
Okay.
Now, if you want to see the production order once again, CO03, same order, and go to the operations, and you will see the quantity as 50. You can see.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Just one second.
So, Nicholas, is it clear? Confirmation of production order.
Yes. Absolutely.
Cancel display.
Yeah,
okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank
How
you.
is your practice?
I start today to practice because to let you know, I have an emergency in my car project. That means the car, the car system, it's a car. So I almost move forward very well. I have 2 tasks to finish. I'm almost finished very well. I will start to practice today, maybe tomorrow. We'll start from tomorrow. But for me, most of the stuff, I know a lot of stuff, but I have to practice absolutely. I have to pass by this again one more time. Okay. I'm sure I can go. I go fast, but I have to go one record after other, and they will do one by one. MRP1, MRP2, MRP3, MRP4. Then I will do routing, and I will do bomb and routing, and work center, and production order. This is what I will do. Okay. So, but
Okay.
Yeah, Vasu, that's why Vasu, I give him an option. I mean, I gave him an idea that after we finish the class or before we start the class, we have come together and work together on the production planning together. In this way, some of the transaction code or some of the steps. Yeah, if I don't remember, then he remember. I have a screenshot. He has also pictures. So in this way, that we have to move forward and practice pretty good.
Yeah, correct. Because if you not practice, you will forget.
No,
if you practice it, you will get the more doubts. So I can explain you the more.
Yeah,
otherwise, you will completely forget.
Yeah, I work today in a work center. If you check my work center, I think I did it, and and then I work with the info record. So I am moving forward as per our class. I'm trying to.
Yeah, but I call you 2 days ago when I promised you to call you. I call you, but you didn't take the call. I set up everything in such a way to start to work together. But
okay,
you didn't call me.
Okay, Nicholas, we have to set up the time before the class starts, like 1 hour every day, and then we will complete this project.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, Vasu, just to give you an idea, myself, I implement MRP a few times in my life, like in 1999, 1998, 99. And and I implement another one like the last year too for AFS. But what you are explaining is very interesting. Myself, I implement MRP in the procurement side, but you are implementing the MRP in production side. I like it, And I worked 2 years ago with SAP Direct to validate the MRP and production planning for FMS,
Yeah.
But your presentation is very good. This is what we need. Okay, appreciate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. So I will stop the class for today. Okay.
Yes.
We will meet tomorrow again. Okay.
Yeah. Just to ask you a question, Vasu. I have a high-level question or a general question. You will have some document for S/4HANA PP certification? Do you have something like this, like a question and answer for the certification, for example, if we feel we can pass the
No,
certification? No? No.
Okay,
no, I
Vasu.
don't have that.
Also, I want to say all the transaction codes that we are doing right now, master data. Do you have any documentation step by step?
Step-by-step documentation I don't have, but I will check.
Yeah,
Okay,
in this
actually,
way. Yeah, in this
yeah,
way, as we are your students, so you have to help us. So give us the documents that we can practice on.
yeah, sure. I will help on that. Okay,
Oh, okay, thank you.
I will check and let you know. Okay, yeah,
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
okay,
Thanks.
yeah, okay.
Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you.
Bye
Yeah,
bye.
Okay.
thank
Have a
you.
good day.
Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
Have a
Bye.
good night. Have a
Bye.
good day. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.